Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will see about the SuiteCRM Google Contacts integration. This integration allows you to seamlessly sync your contacts between your SuiteCRM and Google Contacts. Let's see how it works. First, log in to your SuiteCRM. Then navigate to All and select SuiteCRM Google Contacts. Navigate to the App Settings at the left side menu. Configure the settings at the Google Contact App configuration page. For that, click on Edit. Enter your client ID, client secret, redirect URL, and developer key here. Follow the Google configuration steps. Go to Google Developer Console. Create a new project or select your existing project. Navigate to the hamburger menu on the left side and select API and Services. Click on the Create Credentials button and select OAuth Client ID. Now enter your application name, JavaScript URL, and redirect URL. Once done, click on Create Credentials. Now your OAuth Client ID and Client Secret have been created. Copy and paste the credentials in the appropriate fields on the SuiteCRM app configuration page. Now move back to the Google Developer Console, navigate to the Create Credentials tab, and select the API key. Now the API key has been generated. Copy the API key and paste it to the developer key field of SuiteCRM Google Contact configuration. Finally, click on Save. Your Google Contact has been successfully configured with the extension. Next, we go for Sync settings at the left side menu. Here you can choose the type of record sync. For that, click on the Edit option. Here, enable the Enable Sync option for seamless contact sync. Enable the OnSave Sync option to sync your contact instantly to Google when it was created in SuiteCRM. For automatic record sync from Google Contacts to SuiteCRM Contacts, enable the sync record via the cron option. Next, configure your Google account with the extension by navigating to the Google Sync option at the left side menu. Authorize your desired Google account by clicking on the click here to authorize. Now choose your account and follow the on-screen instructions. The account has been authorized. Before syncing contacts, I will show my Google Contacts. Now I am clicking on the Sync from Google option. Now my Google Contacts will be synced as my CRM contacts. To sync CRM contacts to Google, click on Sync to Google. You can easily reset the connection and authorize it with another Google account by simply clicking on this Revoke Authentication. You can also track the sync statuses of the record by clicking on the logs on the left side menu. Thus, with a single click, it is easy to sync contacts seamlessly between SuiteCRM and Google Contact. This is all you need to know about the SuiteCRM Google Contact integration. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.